Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through the Pink Stuff cleaning range. Whether you're looking to clean surfaces in your home or remove tough stains from your laundry, the Pink Stuff is here to get the job done. With a range of fantastic, non-toxic cleaning products that more than live up to their much-deserved hype, we couldn't be more thrilled to be stocking the Pink Stuff on our online shop. We'll include the links in the description below so that you can check out the range for yourself. First, we have the Stardrops Miracle Cream Cleaner. If you're having trouble removing any pesky or stubborn stains from hard surfaces around your home, this is a solution for you. Available in 500ml bottle, the formula quickly penetrates and removes grease and stains. To use, simply shake the bottle and apply the cream to stained hard surfaces with a damp cloth. Then, wipe away and rinse off the area with water to remove any tough residue. You can also buff the cleaned area with a dry cloth for a sleek and shiny finish. Next, we have the Stardrops Surface Cleaner Paste. This thick and abrasive paste is gentle on surfaces but tough on stains, quickly penetrating and removing them. It is suitable to be used on a range of surfaces and areas, including saucepans, barbecues, ceramic, glass, garden furniture, cooktops, and much more. Available in a 500g container, this paste is as easy to use as all the other Pink Stuff products. Using a damp cloth or scourer, simply rub the paste into the affected area and rinse off with clean water to remove any tough stains, burnt residue, or unwanted filth. Again, you can also buff the clean surface with a clean dry cloth afterwards for a shiny finish. Then there's the Stardrops Fabric Stain Remover Powder for colours. If you have any unwanted stains on your coloured clothing, this powder is perfect for leaving your laundry soft and stain-free without the need for harsh chemicals. It comes in a 1kg container, which is ideal for keeping you prepared against stains in the long run. To use in your washing machine, simply add the powder on top of your usual detergent in the detergent drawer. Use 1 scoop for normal loads or 2 scoops for tough stains and let the powder do the rest. Finally, let's look at the Stardrops Fabric Stain Remover for whites. With all the same properties as the stain removal powder for colours that we just covered, this powder is ideal for removing stains from your white garments and fabrics instead of your coloured ones. This is also available in a 1kg container, providing you with just as much for your money. To use, simply follow the same instructions as the powder for colours and watch your whites become spotless once more. Thank you for sticking around and letting us introduce you to our Pink Stuff cleaning range. If you'd like to see any of the products mentioned in action, take a look at our playlist, which includes how to use each of the products with handy tips and advice to get the best out of them. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos including product guides, appliance repair and maintenance advice, and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching!